Alright, so now we move backwards, I guess, to 3.1. It says sketch the graph of each function. Find the vertex, the y-intercept, maximum or minimum, and domain and range. So, like I said, this is the formula for the vertex, or for the x of the vertex. So then, with this formula, you find the x value of the vertex by plugging that in. So x equals negative b, which is negative 4, over 2 times a. A is 1. So that's negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. Now, you plug this into here. Alright, so y equals negative 2, with an x, squared, plus 4 times negative 2 plus 1. It all goes to 4 minus 8 plus 1. And so 4 minus 8, negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So the vertex is negative 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Negative 3. Alright? And this is a parabola because of the x. Because it's squared, right? So next thing we need to do is find the y-intercept. Well, we see that c is 1, y-intercept 1. Alright, so since it's a parabola and since it's symmetrical, same on both sides, this is 2 points away, right? 2 points away to the right. Remember, that's the y-intercept. Alright, so that means 2 points to the left is another one. And you graph it like that. Now the domain, since there's no problem, right? There's no negative under a radical, and it's not being divided by 0. It's all real numbers. That's just the symbol I learned in high school for all real numbers. And the range is, what part of the graph it covers in the y, right? So it starts at negative 3, right? Because the y value is negative 3 on the vertex, and it goes up to infinity. So with a closed bracket, you go to negative 3 to infinity. So with those instructions, you should be able to do all these. Alright, just remember the negatives. And, alright, as for the maximum or minimum, the vertex is always going to be the maximum or minimum for the parabolas, right? And all he wants us to do is just circle it and label it minimum or maximum. That's it.